Okay, last one. Given cos of this, and theta is in standard position where it could be in either four quadrants, find the exact values of the two trig ratios. Okay, that was a big sigh. Cos. Let's think now, Megan. Cos is positive in CAST in quadrants 1 and quadrants 4. In quadrants 1 and quadrants 4. Okay, that's good to know. Cos of the angle is also, we just did it, x over r. That's also very good to know. X over r. So that means that if we were going to do an x over an r, we're going to have a positive x of 3 and an r value of 8. So let's do quadrant 1. Draw my terminal arm. Boom. Draw my perpendicular in green. Boom. Make my triangle that's got an x and an r. That's positive. Well, this is the x-axis, so they told us the x is, whoops-a-daisies, 3 over 8. I'm going to just throw that right here just so I can see it. So they said the x value is 3 and the r value is 8. The other place where cos could be positive is in quadrant 4, which would mean we've got, boom, not supposed to be green. I know. Snooky, it's okay. She doesn't like math either. Okay. There's our triangle. X value of positive 3, R value of, I think it's 8. Yeah, it's 8. 8. We're so close to the end. Okay. Good. I did that. I found two quadrants and I made triangles and I showed an X and an R of that. What am I even doing? Where is that? Find the exact values of the other two trig ratios. Oh, we're going to have to do this twice. But the nice thing is, once we find what this arm is, we just apply it negatively to this one. So for this answer, it's going to be positive because it's going up and the y value would be positive. And in this answer, it's going down, so the y value would be negative. But once we find what it is, we're just going to apply it to both. So a little bit of Pythagorean goodness here. We're going to find our y values. So we're going to take the square root of the radius squared. We're going to subtract the x squared from that. Square root of 8 squared minus 3 squared equals square root of 64 minus 9, 64, 54, 55, square root of 55. Ooh, can I break that down? I don't think so. 5 comes out of that, 11 comes out of that, nothing else. We can't make that simplified. So our y value here is the positive root of 55. And our y value here is the negative root of 55. Why is it negative? Because y is going down. The other one, y was going up. Y is positive here. Y is negative down here. So that's cool. What am I supposed to be doing? Find the exact values of the other two trig ratios. Okay. So for this one, sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse, root 55 over 8. And this was a cos. Tan of theta is opposite over adjacent, root 55 over adjacent. Nice. Down here, sine of theta is opposite negative root 55 over hypotenuse, which is 8. And then tan of theta is opposite over adjacent, negative root 55 over our adjacent side of 3. Boom, baby. Ugly, but doable. Ooh, I'm going to get rid of that down there, and we're good to go.